2025, Cruisin the Coast, Bay St. Louis. Hope y'all are having a great day. Vinny and I are having an incredible day. Look at that weather. Not even a whisper of a cloud in the sky. There is a beautiful breeze. I'm kind of setting the stage for you because I know you can see it, but you can't feel it. There's high-octane fuel burning in the air. There's people everywhere laughing and having a good time. It's Cruisin the Coast 2025, Bay St. Louis. Did a little video of the drive out. This morning, so if you have not caught that one, check that out because that really is the essence of Cruisin the Coast. Driving out, we were in a 68 Camaro LS3, just running, you know, fourth gear, 20-some hundred RPMs, just a beautiful day. And that's what Cruisin the Coast is about. It is about getting out, having a good time, using your car. Good food, good people, good music, good weather. Just good, 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 good. And the block party is actually back behind me. All right, so I'm on one of the outside edges. I'm actually coming down the road to the entrance coming in. But this place is packed. I think for my analyzation, I think this was probably the best that I could do for y'all, where I could show you cars and not just a bunch of nuts and butts. So, that's what we got going on. 2025, Cruisin the Coast. It's been a great week. At the beginning of the week, we had a little bit of rain, but all that's gone. Today is Friday. If you're not catching this live, it's Friday. All stops are open. And you know, for as long as I've been coming down here, I'm still learning things. So let me let you know what I figured out yesterday. So in the beginning of the week, there is stops that only have one event at them. And then there are your 6 stops that are stamp stops, stamping stops, stopping stamps. Anyways, so those 6 are the ones that are going on from like 9 to 5 or 4 or whatever it is. Like Bay St. Louis, okay? You come in here, you get one of your stamps. This is going on all day. There's 5 more of these. The Mall, Long Beach, Ocean Springs, Pascagoula, and I'm just calling from memory. So if you want to know all of them exactly, check out the website, the Facebook page. So anyways, that's what's going on. All those are open today. They've been open since yesterday, and they'll be open tomorrow. So keep in mind, this is not the only event that's happening today. This is one of at least 6 events like this that's happening. And I think the cutoff is like 1979 to be registered for the show. But a lot of people come down here in a lot newer stuff than that and just hang out. Because when you come to these venues, you might not be able to drive in because you're not registered, but they'll have parking somewhere so you can park and walk in and still enjoy the festivities. So, even if you don't have a car, you can still come enjoy Cruisin the Coast. But if you do have a car or a truck, as exampled here, then this is one of the best places to enjoy your car. Cruisin the Coast, Mississippi Gulf Coast. It's in October. It's been going on 29 years. Next year will be the 30th anniversary. I got my buddy Koto down there spinning the tunes. You can actually tune into the official radio station of Cruisin the Coast. 87.9, 89.7, try one of those two. But he's down at the bottom of the dial, I can tell you that. But he's broadcasting from Cruise Central every day, and he has been since Sunday afternoon. I guess he moved down there. He was at Hardy Court Monday morning or Sunday morning, and then I think he went down there. And so there is actually an official radio station of Cruisin the Coast. Let's see here. Official swag, ET Motor Gear. Make sure if you want your stuff to last that you buy it from an ET Motor Gear trailer. I know there will be ET Motor Gear trailers. There's one out here in Bay St. Louis, and I'm sure there'll be one at all of the 6 stops that are open, including the mall. So, can you believe we've been walking and talking and we've not run out of cars yet? And this is just one street. One street. We made 2 of these stops yesterday. We made this one this morning, so we're halfway through the 6 stops. We're gonna go work our way back towards the mall. So from here, we're going to Long Beach, and uh-oh, somebody's getting kicked out. Look out. Mr. Piv goes down good. Anyways, yes, to come into cruiser entrance, you must be registered. See, that's what my old girl says. Oh well, right? Have a nice day. Tell them to have a nice day. They're friendly enough. Even if you're wrong, they're still friendly. Yeah, usually I run out of cars before I run out of time. But today, I'm not sure that's going to be the case. What a beautiful place. Look at the background that this is all held in. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so the 2025 Cruisin the Coast Bay St. Louis stop. We're heading out to, I think Long Beach is the next one we're going. Like I said, we're working our way back towards the mall. But it's going to be a beautiful day, an awesome event. If y'all see us out shooting, make sure you say hi. Hope you enjoyed this one. See ya.